Hello, viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can assign the subtask and also how we can add the column values. We'll go through the column values one by one. Okay. For that, guys, let us go for the analysis phase. For example, if you want to assign a person, let's say I'm assigning to Asad Jamal. This one approval of requirements I'm assigning to Steve Donald. We can also see the status. Let's say I'm working on it, stuck and done. Let's say I'm working on it. Before that, we can change the status before in business case to done. Then only we can move from business case to analysis. Let's say this is working on it. Let's say this is nothing, not yet started. Okay. And also we have n number of things. Okay. First, let me delete the columns. I'll show you one by one. So to add the column, guys, just click on the plus symbol here. You'll get all the lists of columns. Let's say I want to add date. So when is the deadline you want to add? Okay. Okay. Let's say for this task, maybe it is complete. Maybe we can have to complete requirements gathering by 30th August. Maybe I can add this one after the 30th August, maybe as soon as the requirement gets completed, let's say 6th of September. So this is how we can at least add the deadline. Also, we can remove the column, right? So let's say we are having a column name like this. I can just slide deadline as a D capital. I can also write and text. If you want to add text for this particular project, you can add a text adding. Just click here. Uh, Requirement gathering. You just have to write like that. So let's explore a number of columns. If you don't see any of the column, just click on more columns here. You'll get all the essential columns. Let's go for the featured. For example, if you want to have numbers on the line, just click on add to board. It will add. Let's say you want or maybe 50 hours you need. You can add 50 hours here for requirements gathering. You can add let's say 6 hours for approval. You can add a number of columns. Click on plus, click on more columns. Click on, let's say, let me go for super useful. We have checkbox, link, item ID, location, phone, files, and etc. So if you want to add files, click on add board. So this will be like manage files from your computer, etc. You can add the files. Okay. Let us click on plus. Let us click on more and more columns. Let's go for super useful or team power up. We can go tax is there, what is the rating of this last update, auto number, progress tracking. We'll see that in future videos. Okay. But board power up, we have dropped down formula, hour. We can add all these things late. Okay. Let's see the time tracking. So let's say if you're starting on it, if you're working on it, you can add time tracking here. It will start from 1 second, 2 seconds. You have given 50 hours based on the it will clock. Okay. Sometimes you're in a break, you can just click on pause. It will be paused and you can move to add the requirements gathering for all these things. Okay. So you can add more here. Let's say I'm creating the mockup. Steve Donald is the one who's approving. Similarly, like once it is done, I'll put here the status done, all else other beautiful things you can add. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.